Hello friends, today we show you the Volvo original car screen CarPlay upgrade installation. Paste the paper tape. Apply the air conditioner fully on the right side of the car screen. Unplug the cable. Apply the air conditioner fully on the left side of the screen. Unplug the cable. Unscrew the screws. After unscrewing, use a pry knife to take out the car screen. Unplug the flex cable. Remove the panel under the steering wheel control. Insert the power cable from the bottom and pull it out from the top. Organize the power cables. Remove the panel under the storage box. Remove the panel on the right side of the storage box. Remove the decorative strip above the storage box. Unscrew the screws inside the storage box. Unscrew the screws on the outside of the storage box. Take out the storage box. This is Wi-Fi antenna, and this is GPS antenna. Pass through the GPS antenna and the Wi-Fi antenna. Install the GPS antenna and the Wi-Fi antenna in place. This is the LVDS video adapter cable, and this is LVDS video extension cable. Connect the extension cable to the LVDS connector, which unplugged from the screen. connect the adapter cable to the LVDS connector on the original car screen. This is microphone. This is the RCA cable. Put the RCA wires into the storage box. This is a small speaker. Small speaker connector. Connect the LVDS adapter cable. Connect the LVDS extension cable. Connect the power cable. Connect the RCA cable. Connect the 4G antenna. Connect the GPS antenna. Connect the microphone cable. Put the speaker inside. Put the microphone cable into the A pillar. Connect the CAN bus cable above the rear view mirror in the front of the car. The Android CarPlay box is placed in this position. Our installation is completed today. Thanks for watching.